Hey guys, are you a B Farm or M Farm or PharmD graduates wondering what to do next? Feeling stuck with the just core pharma options which are not paying enough salary? So don't worry, I'm currently working in one of the top pharma companies with just a B Farm degree. So I decided to share the other options that we pharma graduates have in the market which pays really well. I'll be brutally honest with you guys. In this video, I'll be sticking to the jobs that are very specific to pharma, which pays comparatively higher and also have good demand and pays better 5 years down the line as well. Because most of the pharma jobs outside are honestly not paying good even after we having 6 years of degree, and most of us are just stuck with it, don't know what to do next. So before jumping into the actual jobs, I want to discuss why core pharma companies are not paying the same salaries that our engineering friend starts as a freshers. A fresh engineering graduates can get up to 10 lakhs if he got the skills the company is looking for, right? Unfortunately, in pharma, it is different. Our degrees don't teach what pharma companies need. We come up with so much of pharma knowledge, but for the Indian pharma companies, the money is in different place. We don't have the skills that the company can use from day one. So they have to train us from the scratch. Hence, they prefer experienced candidate than the freshers. So if we want to be paid well and get the job that I'll be listing in the videos down, you should be putting the efforts to learn the skills that the company is looking for. So try to watch the video till the end and let's get into the main part. Number one, medical writers. Medical writers create content about healthcare and medicines. Pharma companies are obliged to these content to bring awareness about their medicine among the doctors, are also called as healthcare professional in multiple countries. Will AI impact this? Yes, to some extent, but it will make the jobs easy. Will it pay well? Yes, in good companies. The package starts with 4 to 5 lakhs per year for freshers and goes up to 8 to 12 lakhs per annum with 5 years of experience. You will be mostly working on the journal documents and content in that. So if you don't like this part, this job might bore you. I have many friends who complained about it, but hey, who is not complaining about the jobs? All it matters is, does it pay well? The skills needed to get this job or do better in these jobs are strong writing abilities, good research skills, attention to details, knowledge of medical terms. That's it. Number two, clinical research. Let me break this down for you guys. Clinical researchers test if drugs are safe and effective before they hit the market. Will AI impact this? Not much, honestly. You still need humans to oversee trials. Will it pay well? Yes, if you are in the right company, starting salary is around 3 to 4 lakhs for freshers. But after 5 years, you are looking at 8 to 15 lakhs if you play your cards right. I know several of my batchmates who joined CRS, that is clinical research organizations, and they're doing pretty well. Now the downside, lot of documentations and sometimes crazy deadlines when the trials are running. The skills you need to get noticed, understanding of research protocols, data analysis skills, project management abilities, and patience for dealing with regulatory requirements. If you are detail oriented and don't mind some paperwork, this could be your thing. Number three, pharmacovigilance. This fancy word just means monitoring drug safety after they are approved. Someone got to track those side effects, right? Will AI impact this? Yes, to some extent, but it will help the people who is working in the job because they are the one who will be making the final calls, right? Will it pay well? Oh yes, you start it around 3 to 5 lakhs, but with 5 years of experience, you can earn up to 10 to 18 lakhs annually. Not bad, right? I have a friend who started with PV, that is Pharmacovigilance, that's what we call it, and she's now managing a team after just 4 years of her experience, I guess. The work involves tracking adverse events, analyzing patterns, and ensuring the company follows safety regulations. The skill needed, strong analytical skills, attention to details, a must, knowledge of safety reporting, and the ability to work with the databases. If you are type who likes solving medical mysteries and has a good eye for patterns, give pharmacovigilance a serious thought. Number four, regulatory affairs. This is about making sure pharma products meet all their legal requirements before and after approval. Will AI impact this? Not much. Regulations keep changing and you need humans to interpret them and involve with the other human beings. Will it pay well? Definitely, especially if you gain experience. Freshers start at 4 to 6 lakhs, but after 5 years, you can command up to 12 to 20 lakhs annually. I know people who switched from QA to RA and never looked back because of the better growth opportunities. The job involves preparing submissions for regulatory authorities, maintaining compliances, and staying updated on new regulations. Skills needed: knowledge of pharmaceutical laws, which you can learn on the job, excellent documentation skills, attention to detail, and strong communication abilities. If you are organized and enjoy working with guidelines and rules, this field might be perfect for you. Number 5, pharmaceutical sales and marketing. I have to bring this because this is one of the most highly paid jobs that we got. This one for those who hate sitting at a desk all day. Will AI impact this? Some aspects, but relationships with the doctor still needs human touch. Will it pay well? Base salary plus incentive can be quite good. Starting package, that is base package, starts at 3 to 5 lakhs, but you get incentives. That's the major pro in this job. And after 5 years, you can expect 8 to 15 lakhs plus bonuses if you consistently hit the targets. And let's not forget the perks that many companies provide, such as cars, phones, and travel allowances. So many. The job involves meeting healthcare professionals, explain product benefits, and building relationships. The skills needed: strong people skills, good communication abilities, basic knowledge of medicine, and self motivation. Because be honest with yourself, if you're not outgoing or hate traveling, this is not for you. But if you enjoy meeting new people and you love the money, you can handle rejections well, then you might thrive here. Number 6, medical science liaisons. We call them as MSLs. This is one of the most sought after roles for pharma grads with some experience. Will AI impact this? Not much. Doctors want to talk to knowledgeable humans. Will it pay well? One of the highest in the industry. Starting salary ranges from 8 to 12 lakhs, and after 5 years you are looking at 15 to 20 lakhs per annum, depending on the expertise you got in the therapeutic areas. The job involves being a scientific face of the company, addressing the doctor's questions about the products and supporting clinical trials. When I say this, these people also go and talk to the doctors, but they never go and talk about selling the products. It's all about solving the problems that doctors got. They're never going to sell the product. So these people are almost equal to the doctors. Sometimes these people are PharmD graduates, are other doctorates only. They just go and explain and solve the doubts that the doctors got. So no selling involves, and the doctors also not gonna expect the person to sell. So that's why it's highly reputed as well as highly paid. But the expectations is high because you need to be very pro at whatever the therapeutical area that you are picking. The skills needed: deep knowledge of specific disease or treatments, excellent presentation skills, ability to explain complex information simply, and networking skills. I know several PharmD graduates who aimed for this role from day one because of the prestige and pay. Most companies prefer candidates with a doctorate or at least a master's degree, but it's not impossible with just B.Pharm if you have relevant experience. But I'll be very honest, it will be difficult as well. Number 7, healthcare consulting. Consultants help solve problems for hospitals, insurance companies, and pharma manufacturers. Will AI impact this? It will provide tools, but human insights remain valuable. Well, will it pay well? Oh yes, especially as you gain experience. Starting salary is around 5 to 8 lakhs, but after 5 years, 15 to 30 lakhs is realistic if you are good. The job involves analyzing data, developing strategies, and implementing solutions to improve healthcare outcomes. Skills needed: strong analytical thinking, problem solving abilities, good communication skill, and basic business understanding. This field is perfect if you enjoy variety and intellectual challenges. No two projects are the same. The downside is sometimes long hours and travel depending on the firm. I have a few seniors who made this switch after 2 to 3 years in core pharma roles and they never regretted it. So that's something that I liked it. Number 8, academic research and teaching. If you are passionate about advancing pharmaceutical knowledge and helping students, then this might be a job for you. Will AI impact this? It might change how we teach because there is so much of information and it makes the whole process easy, but it won't replace the professors, right? Will it pay well? Well, it's decent, but not spectacular compared to the industry. Starting salary is around 3 to 5 lakhs, but based on the institutions. But after experience, you can expect around 8 to 16 lakhs based on the institutions and the master degrees you have and the expertise you got. The job involves conducting research, teaching classes, and mentoring students. Skills needed: good teaching abilities, research knowledge, patience, and usually PhD. Though you can start with MPharm, but expectations right now are you need PhD. The biggest advantage with this job is, and most of the people why going for this job is, work-life balance and job security once you are established. I have a professor who always says he chose teaching because he wanted to make a difference rather than chase money. So if you are somebody who are not much of money, but who is somebody into family oriented and who want to have just 9 to 5, very specific to 9 to 5, and have fun with, speaking with multiple people and love around people of youngsters and want to share that passion, then this job might be a good option for you. But if I want to be very honest, if you're looking for high salaries quickly, industry roles might be a better option than going for the teaching, because teaching does not have that much money coming in. So that is the reality in India. So there you have 8 solid career options for us pharma graduates in the pharma market. I'm not talking about the outside. Yes, you have multiple options if you go out into engineering and IT fields. And yes, we can go, and I will be making a video about it. So make sure to follow and subscribe so that you won't miss that specific video as well. And I want to end this video with the note that please remember, the key is start developing the specific skills that these roles need or the company need even while you are studying. That's what will set you apart from the 1,000 applications comes for a single job right now in Indian market. So if you get any of the jobs that I mentioned and you got very low starting salaries, don't worry. Focus on getting your foot in the right door at a good company where you can learn and grow. The money will follow you if you build valuable skills. That's what I believe. Which of these careers interest you the most? Drop a comment below. And the major one, if you want me to make detailed video on any specific role, let me know which one it is. And also, if you're already working in any of these fields, please share your experience to help others. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest pharma career advice that I try to post every week. And don't forget to follow me in LinkedIn. And one more thing, thanks for watching. And remember, it's not about your degree, it's always about the skills that we have and the company want. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.